Canada is giving newcomers more money in 2026. Here's who qualifies and how much you can get. Canada has quietly introduced a major financial relief measure that could put hundreds of extra dollars into the pockets of newcomers this year, and even more over the next few years. Under newly revamped federal benefit, eligible newcomers could receive up to $950 in 2026, with ongoing payments planned through 2031. Let's break down what this benefit is, who qualifies, and what newcomers need to do to receive it. What is the Canada Groceries and Essentials Benefit? The federal government has announced a new refundable tax credit called the Canada Groceries and Essentials Benefit. This benefit replaces and expands a former GST tax credit, significantly increasing the amount paid to low and modest income residents. The goal is simple: help Canadians, especially newcomers, cope with rising costs of food and everyday essentials. The announcement was made on 26 January 2026 as part of the government's broader affordability measures. How much money can newcomers receive? The increase comes in two parts. First, there's a one-time 50% boost to the existing benefit in 2026. Second, the government has approved a 25% permanent increase to the benefit, which will apply for 5 years starting July 2026. As a result, a single eligible individual can receive up to $950 in 2026 compared to $533 previously. From 2027 onward, the same individual could receive up to $700 per year. A family of 4 could receive up to $1,890 in 2026 and around $1,400 per year for the next 5 years. Who is eligible for this benefit? This benefit is available to most newcomers, provided they meet a few basic conditions. To qualify, you must be 19 years or older, be a resident of Canada for tax purposes, have a net income below the threshold, which is $56,181 for a single person without children. Higher thresholds apply for couples and families. Because many newcomers, including international students, new PR holders, and temporary foreign workers, earn below these thresholds, newcomers are expected to benefit more than Canadian-born residents. When and how will payments be made? Payments are expected to begin in July 2026 and will be issued quarterly, just like the old GST credit. However, there is one crucial requirement. To receive the benefit, you must have filed a tax return for 2025. If you have already filed your 2025 tax return, payments should start automatically in July. What if you're a newcomer who just arrived? If you arrived in Canada after the 2025 tax filing season, you are not excluded. Newcomers can still register by submitting Form RC-151 for the year they became a resident of Canada for tax purposes. Once registered, you can begin receiving the benefit without waiting an extra year. This step is especially important for international students, new work permit holders, newly landed permanent residents. Why this benefit matters for newcomers? This benefit is designed to offset sales taxes on essential purchases, which tend to impact lower-income households more heavily. Newcomers often spend a larger portion of their income on food, rent, and daily necessities, which means this benefit can make a real difference during the first few years in Canada. For many, this is not just a rebate, it's direct financial support during settlement. Final takeaway: Canada's new Groceries and Essentials Benefit is one of the most newcomer-friendly affordability measures announced in recent years. If you're eligible and file your taxes correctly, this is money you don't need to apply for separately. It comes automatically. For newcomers in 2026, understanding tax benefits is just as important as understanding visas and PR pathways. This is the end of today's video update. We hope you found it helpful. Thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest Canada immigration news.